So we are discussing with regard to ab vivo incompatible transplantation. What is meant by ab vivo incompatible transplantation? Ab vivo incompatibility means there is blood group incompatibility. For example, if B group donor is there and A group recipient are there, usually they are not matched. That means they are incompatible to each other. That means usually the A group person has anti-B antibodies. Similarly, B group person has anti-A antibodies. So if you do a transplant or simple blood transfusion between two different groups, like for example, B group donor donating to the A group recipient. So as I said, A group has anti-B antibodies. So this anti-B antibodies acts against the B group antigens of the donor. So whether it may be simple blood transfusion or in organ transplantation, it can be organ transplantation across the groups. So if it is across the blood groups, usually the organ will be rejected because of the presence of anti-blood group antibodies against the donor. In this example, we have said B group donor to the A group recipient. That is called as incompatible transplantation. This type of transplantation is usually contraindicated till 4-5 years back. But we are doing, and many centers, few centers are doing across this India. Few centers are doing this type of incompatible transplantation, that is called ab vivo incompatible transplantation, where we can transplant even the individuals between incompatible blood groups, like B group donor to the A group recipient or A group donor to the B group recipient. So this type of transplantation is also successful, but by using special treatment to the recipient. So as I said, the recipient has anti-blood group antibodies against the donor. So in this specific type of incompatible transplantation, we use specific treatment therapy to reduce the pre-existing antibody level to a very low level, safe level. After that, we do incompatible transplantation. We have done a few of these transplantation with good success rate. So this is a new upcoming abdominal transplant is a new type of transplantation which has been becoming successful. And another choice for these incompatible blood groups which we are doing routinely is the swap transplantation. Swap means where if there are two or three pairs of similar blood group incompatibility between the donor and the recipient, we can exchange the organs between these groups. Like if we have two groups, like B group donor to the A group recipient, and another group having A group donor and the B group recipient. So we can exchange the organs between these two groups. So that is called as swap transplantation. Here there is no need to receive or use any special treatment to reduce the antibody level, because it is theoretically it is across the two different pairs, but it is with the same blood group transplantation. It is not as incompatible transplantation. It's called as swap transplantation. That is also we are doing very commonly, very routinely. So we have few questions on the online. So